Good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Collect the keys for.
Oh yeah, perfect. Congratulations.
Oh, they're giving some cake. Is that cake?
Got the keys.
Yeah. Alright.
Hi guys, welcome to our video. We just want to tell you our good news. We just literally purchased a new property, and oh my god, the struggles we had to purchase this property.
Yeah, we'll explain to you exactly what the struggles were, and we literally...
Hi guys, we recently bought this property. Do you want to come have a look?
Subscribe to see full renovation coming soon.
Yeah, let's go.
Moving on to the living room.
A lot of light in here, actually.
Going to the kitchen.
We literally purchased this property, and it had taken us almost a year to sort of get them to accept it. But we'll tell you exactly what we learned and how we can help you.
So we actually viewed this property last year. I can't remember what month it was. But
I think it was October, middle of October.
and we put our offer over to the vendor, and we didn't actually hear back, did we? I don't think
No, we
did.
didn't. We completely got ignored the first time. And we liked the house. We thought it had like cosmetic work, and we thought we could really develop it and take it one step further by doing certain things to it, but we'll show you that in a future video.
Back to our offer, it got rejected.
Yes.
Obviously, we were upset, but we'll look at another house. Doesn't matter.
But we found that buyers were, no, not buyers, we found that vendors are very, very stubborn, and they do not want to reduce their property value. Simply because property value has been going up in the last few years, or let's say a year back from now, and a lot of sellers are quite stubborn to getting that price. And that's the situation we found ourselves in on this particular property. So a few months down the line, we realized that this property was still on the market. I didn't know it was a property we initially viewed.
So I recognised the house and the road name, and I was like thinking, I swear we have seen this property before.
Yeah.
And we actually did, because I found the appointment time and everything and realised it was a property we've seen. We naturally thought, why not put another offer through? The first offer was rejected.
Because obviously the longer it's been in the market for, well, the vendor or the seller basically would become very, very desperate. But it got rejected again. And we were really confused. You've had the property on the market for so and so amount of time, so and so amount of months, and you're still not accepting an offer. Though it was less, but still, she should have sold, really. But we got there in the end. We given her an ultimatum.
Ultimatum, one whose rejection will end negotiations and cause a resort to force or other direct action.
We told her we got a few offers that we want to put forward for some other properties. Can you please decide within a few days and let us know? And it worked. That's how we got our deal, but it was very difficult to get hold of this deal. To be honest with you, how did we come across it?
Our neighbour was talking about a property nearby.
Last year, right? Last year.
Last year, yeah.
Yeah.
And mentioned there is a property on for sale, and it was a probate situation.
So basically, for those of you who don't know what probate is,
Probate is the legal and financial process of dealing with the property, money, and possessions of a person who has died.
so there's a certain time that they have to sell the property because there's more complications involved. And I think they were pretty much motivated to sell.
So we're going to vlog our experiences with this property, and we're going to renovate it. We're going to show you everything that we're going to do to the house. We want your opinions as well on what you think we should do to the house.
We want to get the public's opinion on what they would like in a property. For example, would you like an open plan in this particular property? Would you want us to, I don't know, change the windows? I don't know, just change the layout of the property with actual good reason though. And if we get a lot of people saying a particular request, we'll take that on board and we'll consider it on this renovation.
Wow, she didn't even ask him if he is okay.
So we've got 2 renovations coming up on our channel, so stay tuned.
We're going to show you our day-to-day experiences when we're talking to builders, exactly what goes wrong, because a lot of people watch renovation programs and they don't really see the ins and outs, the bad. There's actually more bad than there is good most of the time. We're going to show you those experiences, so stay tuned, subscribe. Yeah, and you won't miss out.